So here we're planting coffee and cacao in our alleycrop. So we call this the alleycrop. So we have some hill and some valleys. So this alleycrop we're trying to integrate into what is already there, which is a whole bunch of trees. We're integrating it, and we have some bamboo already there, like this bamboo here, and their roots are very much taking over the surface. And then I think what is happening is that anything that you want to plant there grows there is kind of difficult to grow because this bamboo root web is pretty overkill kind of thing. So we're thinking we want to plant coffee here, but you could see the roots are kind of here of the bamboo, right? You can kind of pull them out. So we want to try and block the roots and basically give the coffee roots the chance to go down and get kind of established. So came up with the idea. At first I thought we could use plastic bottles to kind of block the roots a bit of the bamboo, but now we're thinking of using banana trunk. so the idea is that we maybe the cut ones better. Yeah. So we do. Yeah. Thank you. More. So like that. So we'll try to block them a bit, just long enough. We'll see if that works. Something like that. Create a little kind of, little dam, a bamboo root dam, something like that. And we need some bigger ones. And then we put soil in here and soil around, and then hopefully the coffee roots have enough time before the bamboo goes through this to go deeper and get themselves established. And it will also encourage the coffee roots to go deeper. I just want to share a bit what we did here as regards to the techniques we used. So first I came in with this little plow or rototiller to till the soil and hill it up. I did one round of that, which we are just about able to do. A bit challenging because we're trying to go in between everything that was there. So it's not ideal. It's better to start from scratch, this kind of thing. But we tried to integrate. But it went pretty okay. The next we did was to get a lot of organic matter. We had a lot of stuff chopped and chipped. A lot of the stuff that's hanging here, a lot of the leaves and branches. And then we put part of that down. And then we put, so that's this stuff. You can kind of see there's some bamboo leaves here and leaves. It's kind of nice, rotting down a bit already. It's beautiful. It smells kind of rotting down. And then we added some of the compost and the manure. So here you can see this is kind of different color. You can see the difference, the regular soil and then the compost, and then the manure is this one. So it also has a top dressing. And then what I will do is come one more time to top it up more with the machine. So then we cover that, and that's then that covered. And then the last thing would to put another mulch layer on top. So it's quite a few layers, but in the long run it will really benefit the whole system here. So here we put quite a lot of coffee and cacao in. Further, this is all along our road. We have this little edge that we already planted a lot of things, but we can integrate a lot more coffee and cacao in there. So we'll just keep going like this till we reach the other side of the land, and eventually we'll probably have a lot of coffee and cacao in here. I'm thinking probably for fruiting take about 3 to 5 years before we can harvest the cacao and the coffee.